The case of Burkina Faso shows how promising patterns like increased vegetation can emerge on satellite imagery. But what do those patterns really mean? Are they signs of recovery? Or are deeper problems still lurking beneath the surface? Maps give us a starting point, but to truly understand an ecosystem's health and whether it can be restored, we need to look closer. Degradation isn't always visible from above. It can be hidden in the soils, the species that have vanished, or the disrupted process that no longer function as they should. In the next task, we'll move beyond the map and explore how to assess degradation on the ground. You'll learn how to identify reference ecosystems and build models that help define what recovery should look like in your context. Let's dig in.